Hello students, in this video we will see the introduction of a machine subject, also the overall syllabus carried out by this subject. As an electrical student, you can't ignore this subject. According to the GATE or ESC or any competitive exam, for the GATE examination, maximum 12 marks weightage of the machine subject, and for the ESC exam there is a maximum 10 marks weightage. However, you can't specialization in a machine subject. That means you can't do an M.Tech or a PhD on a machine subject. Okay, you can't specialization in a machine subject, but it's more important to the interview point of view. So, for a better understanding, I have divided machine subject into three parts. Which one? First one is a DC machine, the machine which operates on a DC power supply. Second one is an XMR, nothing but a transformer. And third one is an AC machine, the machine which operates on a AC power supply. Now, the DC machine is again classified as a generator and a motor. The generator and a motor in further classified with the same name, mean a series, shunt and a compound. That means this is series generator, shunt generator or compound generator, or a DC series motor, shunt motor or a compound motor. Here this is our unit first, which will be covered in a upcoming videos. Okay, so now second one is an XMR. The transformer is divided or classifies again into three parts. First one is a single phase transformer, second one is a three phase transformer, and other than this two transformer there is also special type transformer. Okay, there is a three classification of a transformer. Here this is our unit 2. After completing a unit first, we will see this unit 2. Now, third is an AC machine. Here the AC machine carried vast syllabus than a DC machine or a XMR. Here this also classified in a three parts: induction machine, synchronous machine and a special machine. The induction machine again classified as a single phase induction machine and a three phase induction machine. Now, the synchronous machine also classified as a single phase synchronous machine and a three phase synchronous machine. Here this AC machine is our unit 3. After completing the unit first and unit 2, we will see this unit. Okay. The total point which is covered in a unit 1, that is the DC generator and DC motor. The content which is seen in a DC generator is first we will see the construction and a working principle of a DC generator. Okay, after this we will see the types of DC generator, then armature reaction, commutation. After that we will see the problem based on a DC generator. Now after that we will see the DC motor. Here the DC motor contain here it's also principal, construction, types, speed control, starters, losses and a testing and braking. The DC generator construction and working principle video is already uploaded. You can see the link is given in a description, so please watch it. Now in upcoming video I have also new point added, mean MCQs. I have solved 2 to 3 MCQs at the end of the video, which is based on a previous year GATE examination, IES examination or any competitive examination, for a better understanding or creating interest in a relevant topic. If my video is helpful for you, then please like and share. of my videos, and please do not forget to subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon for a notification of a new video. And at the end, thanks for watching.